Good afternoon, everyone.
Sir, now, go.
Today, we are going to discuss about the comprehensive
Dangerous act.
notes in juvenile delinquency and juvenile justice system. This is what we call the juvenile justice system in the Philippines.
Yes.
You know? So when you say juvenile delinquency, from your own perspective, what is juvenile delinquency?
Juvenile is like a minor or a youngster under 18 years old.
Under 18 years old. So
When we say
specifically, when you say juvenile delinquency, it is an act of the youth, the minor, the youth that is deviates from
the society,
the society, the rules,
the norms of society,
the norms, the standards, or the rules and the laws in the society. Basically, when you say juvenile delinquency, it is an act by the youth.
committed by the youth.
Committed by the youth.
Yes.
Minors against the norms of society.
Yes.
Ano siya? There is a specific person or a group of person na nag-commit. But when you say delinquency,
It is an act.
it is an act that is deviate from the norms and the standards of the society.
Yes.
What dito, mga youths or people or what we call the person,
right.
individual na nag-commit. But it is only stating that it is an act that deviate from the norms and the rules in the society. And as a result, what is the difference between the delinquency and the juvenile delinquency? You go to other place.
Okay.
When you say juveniles, in your own understanding, what is juveniles?
Juveniles
Oh, I will.
are those immature
Immature and
individual.
not fully developed. The mental faculty is not fully developed.
Yes.
So what we call the juveniles. In our law, when you say juveniles, it is under 18 years old. Minor. Youth, adolescent, child, younger, that is belong to
Yes.
juvenile. Right? Person subject to juvenile court proceeding. The person that is subject to juvenile court proceeding, that's what we call juvenile. Hello? Your understanding?
Yes.
Okay. We will proceed to delinquent person. When you say delinquent person, it is a person that committed the same acts and repeated acts that is against the society. Diba? Against the rules of the society. What is the difference between juvenile delinquency and delinquent person?
When a delinquent person, it is not necessarily a youngster, but it is a person who habitually commit a crime.
Yes.
That is delinquent person.
Yes.
While on the other hand, juvenile delinquency, it is, as you said earlier, it is a child that committed an act that is against the society. Yes.
Yes.
That's right. Exactly.
What's the point?
Accurately.
Yes.
The answer is perfect. You listen to that. You understand that?
Cut a good friend. Cut a good friend. You're so childish. Clap your hands. Okay. Okay. Okay.
Okay, that's well understood. Well understood.
Yes.
Juvenile delinquency and delinquent person.
Yes.
Okay, in summary, when you say delinquent person, it is a person that committed repeatedly an act.
Yes.
We say juvenile delinquency, it is the youth that committed an act that is deviates from the norm of society.
Yes.
That's right. Okay.
Right.
We are now proceeding to the status offense.
Yes.
Who among us knows about status offense? Big.
Status offense. It is an act
It's an act.
not punishable legally or socially if the offender is adult, but become illegal when the offender is minor.
minor.
Example of status offense.
Okay.
First,
One.
Oh, what's that?
Number one example is
Smoking.
yes.
True one C.
Truancy. What is truancy?
Abstinence.
Absenteeism.
20 days
Frequently
absent from
absent from school.
Yes.
20 days.
But in law, prescribed only 10 consecutive days considered as truancy.
That's right. Exactly. That's the point. So when you say statute of offense, in specific term, that is, when it's committed by minor, it is illegal. Ano lang siya?
Yes.
That's what you need to understand. When it's committed by minor, it is illegal. Like, according to PUSA, the smoking. Smoking. In the Philippines, smoking is illegal when committed by minor. Okay, but the no smoking, it is illegal to everyone. Yes. Use of profane language. Use of, Vic, what are your
Profane, using of profane language, it refers to bad words.
Bad words?
Including use bad words
Yes.
that is not legally used or terms for individual as their daily.
really living? Yes, that's right, exactly.
Precisely.
Precisely, accurate thing.
Amazing.
Running away from home.
Running away
that's
from home.
This,
Example ako.
That person,
are you running away?
layas.
Layas, making themselves living in their homes.
Yes. Without the consent of your parents.
Right. Disobedience to parents, guardians, or school officials. This is very unique, common in our society. Many of us now in our in this world are not obeying parents.
Just like them.
Just like them. So this is what we call status offense. Okay, very well understood about the status offense, and now let's proceed to what are the stages of delinquency. Sir, okay, first I need to another hand. What is your perception or the four?
Petty larceny between 8 to 12 years is called emergence.
Emergence. Oh, when you say emergence, this is the stage of a youngster that committed a petty larceny. Sama, in Visayan language is kawat-kawat.
Kupit.
Kupit. That is petty larceny.
Like so much.
In age, what is the age of emergence? 8 to 12 years old. That is what we call emergence. The second stage is the exploration. Exploration means explore. Shoplifting and vandalism. What is shoplifting? They're stealing in the shop door.
From kupit.
Vandalism means drawing in the
public places.
Like this. Oh, they're doing drawing in the table. This is what we call vandalism. This is the exploration stage of the youngster. The third is the explosion.
In age of 13,
In the age of 13,
substantial increase of
explosion, by the way,
varieties.
the age of that is 12 to 14. Okay. That is the exploration. Only 13.
13.
Oh, 12 to 14. Exploration man, by the way.
Yeah.
12 to 14. Explosion is the age of 13. The answer now is committed an act increase in variety and seriousness. When they commit stealing in that certain stage, in the explosion, they will commit a higher increase of their variety and seriousness of their acts. Last time that they commit only larceny, and now there is the explosion, they commit serious acts. Right. Then the fourth stage is the conflagration. What is conflagration like for you?
The age of 15, 4 or more crimes were added.
Okay, 4 or more crimes were added. What types are added in that for you? What types of crimes are added in that conflagration?
Steal.
Steal more.
Properties like
Chicken.
mouse. That's like our neighbors.
Neighbors. Motorcycles. Nowadays,
Bicycle.
15 years old youth in our society, they will engage in delinquent gangs.
Yes, yes,
You know that?
yes.
The grade 7 to grade 10 are engaged in the fraternity, what we call gang, because that is not what we call that is not registered
Yes.
in our society. Illegal, that's what we call illegal, because that is not registered. Okay, so we are now proceeding to categories of delinquent youth. Okay, for you, Wilma.
Yes. So the first category is the accidental. So when we say accidental, it is less identifiable. Those are person law-abiding citizen. So it is happen that wrong place at the wrong time.
Yes.
It's about the curiosity.
Okay, what's your concern?
Accidental refers to a young
Yeah.
who is manifested with good character.
Yes.
But it happens in the wrong place at the wrong time, which means due to
Pressure
and curiosity.
Seriousness.
Yes.
The keyword in this type of category of delinquent youth is that they are prone to curiosity and peer pressure.
Yes.
Kasi when you say accidental, the keyword there is
not intentional.
intentional, not intentional. Okay?
There's accident.
Peer pressure and curiosity. Out of curiosity,
They are just
they
curious.
tend to do things that due to their life.
That is accident only.
Yes.
Because of their curiosity, they engage with a certain crime. Yes. The number 2 is social. Okay. Okay.
Those children,
Okay.
When we talk about the social, those are the children who are born or die and feel there's no remorse.
Yes, no remorse. So in this type of delinquent youth, when you say asocial,
It is time to intervention.
yes, the keyword that is they feel no remorse. Wala
Yes.
kalokoy.
Like a pizza.
They are cold.
because manifested by cruel, vile, and active.
Yes, that is what
And
we call.
they need a intervention.
Yes.
Because they are likely or it leads to them to commit heinous crimes.
Heinous crimes.
What is heinous crime?
Heinous crimes meaning
Human.
serious or what we call the
Unusual.
brutal.
Brutal, yes.
Brutal. Yes, that is
Exactly.
exactly, that's right. Then the third is the neurotic. What is the keyword there?
From the root word neurons.
Internal conflict.
Neuro means mind.
Mind.
See, so the neurotic is there is an internal conflict.
Yes.
Yes, there is an effect in their minds that leads them to commit certain acts.
Certain crime.
Certain crimes. That's right. What we call neurotic. The keyword there is internal conflict.
Need professional help.
Yes.
and
Therapy
hospitalization.
and counseling.
Yes, right. The fourth one is social.
Social.
What is the keyword there?
Resistant to authority.
Aggressive and resistance to authority. So this type of youth is not obeying the rules of the society.
Yes.
So they are not obeying what is the law
Yes.
provides,
Yeah.
the norms.
The customs.
When the police officer tell them about what they committed, they disobey
Yes.
or disrespect the, what we call that, public official. Okay? That is the keyword that, the keyword there is aggressive and
That
disobedience, disrespect, authority. Okay, next is the methodology towards delinquency. Okay, the first is biogenic approach. So in the biogenic approach, when you say bio means
Life.
life of a person. Biogenic approach. In this approach, the person that is result of physically defects, so in this person is when they are born, they are physically defects.
Yes.
So in this approach,
big.
the family, the people, the society will adapt or Sura. Dawaton.
Praise.
Praise.
Accept.
Accept the people. Accept the people. This approach. The physical defect person is they will accept the person.
As well as eugenic approach is a view of multi-biology.
Multi-biology.
Genetics.
Yes, that is the genetics. That is the fault of that is not what we call the fault of the parent. Okay. The psychogenic approach. The key points, the keyword, it is in the personality, the mind, the behavior of the person. So it needs what we call the intervention or the counseling. That is the approach. Need counseling and social juvenile misbehavior. Okay. The sociogenic approach is
Sociogenic learning process through interaction with other members of society.
yes. Emphasizing the contact with governmental. Kanang nga approach is kinahanglan we need the public officials, what we call the social control agencies. Okay? That's what we call sociogenic approach. What is the three types of methodology approaches? First is the biogenic, psychogenic, and is sociogenic. Okay. So that's the end of our discussion. Yes. Thank you for your participation and